Hello motorista! Welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventure the video. For this episode, we have here sa likod natin is the GAC GN6. Go over the specs, features, and everything that you need to know about the GAC. So tara! Let's go over some of the specs and features that you might want to know if you're looking for a affordable van or a minivan mga motorista for 2024. So again, this is the GAC GN6, and as you can see, although minivan siya na looks on the side, pero sa harap niya, it looks like an SUV dito sa harap. I really like the front end. Yung exact price niya nito mga motorista is 1.4 million mga motorista. No? So that is already CDO price. So again, that's still very approachable and affordable in my opinion. And yung design niya is quite good as well. No? Napaka simple lang and straightforward. Hindi siya ganun ka design rich like the other GAC products. But again, what you get is a very simple looking MPV. This is DRL, this is halogen projector, and yung high beam natin is also a halogen projector, but again, it is upgradable to LED if you want, no, aftermarket, pwede mo nang i-upgrade yan. But as is, halogen bulbs yung gamit. LED yung ating fog lights here. Wala tayong front camera for the GE model. So isa lang yung model dito sa Pilipinas, GE lang siya. Right. Now, moving on to the side, no, akala ko talaga sliding door yung ating GN6, but it is parang normal door lang siya, no, dito sa second row. Dito sa side natin, again, you have your LED turn signal lights, and very nice naman yung design ng ating side mirrors. Meron tayong pass-through window here. Okay, so wala tayong ADAS feature for this van, quite simple lang. What I like is you can start the GAC using the remote. So medyo may kalakihan yung remote niya, but it is well spec. So lock, unlock, you can remote start. So kung mainit, pwede mo siyang i-start ahead. Alarm button, and you can open the trunk as well. Right? So before we proceed to the back, dito muna tayo. We have here a very simple, again, simple yung word for this van. Very decent naman yung ating rims, no? It's not the most edgy looking rims, but again, for a family mini MPV, or I think this is already called a minivan mga motorista. So it has a Maxxis, no, tire. So this is the Waltz na model. Okay, so more on highway centric tire siya. And yung ating tire size pala is 215 by 60 or 16. Hindi siya 17. McPherson struts yung ating suspension sa harap. Meron tayong plastic claddings here. Right. So, let's move on dito sa likuran na part. Kita din natin yung ating rear, which is also disc brake, which is quite good. And you can see your suspension dun sa likuran na part. So, unfortunately, hindi siya independent, no? For its price, it's okay lang din na hindi na siya independent with rear suspension. It is a torsion beam type suspension. And I think they made sure na kaya naman, no, on higher loads yung type ng suspension ni GN6. Now, yung ating windows is quite big dito sa third row. So, hindi siya claustrophobic, and very straightforward yung ating, or very horizontal yung ating likuran. Hindi siya tapered masyado. So, also big windows dito sa second row mga motorista. Now, moving on to the back, napakalaki ng ating high mount stoplight dito sa harap. You have rear defoggers. You have LED dito sa likuran na mga tail lights. Brake lights, LED. Turn signal lights and reverse light, LED. You have the GAC naming here. You also get the logo and GN6 270T. Sa likuran naman, yung trunk natin is not, hindi siya automatic yung trunk natin. So, manual lang siya. So, ayan, you have your ilaw dito sa likuran, and 12-volt accessory outlet. So, one thing that I really like about the GN6 is napakaluwag ng space dito, mga motorista. Tingnan naman. Okay? So, this is the, yung ating emergency, reflector. And you can, put a lot of items dito sa likuran niya. So, I really like it. And if you fold the third row, it really folds flat, mga motorista, dito sa likod. So again, you can carry also a lot of cargo, mga motorista, diba? So you have reverse sensors dito and also reverse camera. Wala siyang 360 camera, but at least you get rear camera kasi medyo mahaba siya. So when parking, it will be a little bit easier. Okay, so when it comes to the engine, si GN6, mga motorista, has a 1.5 liter engine, so 1.495cc. So yung max output ng ating turbocharged gasoline engine is 169 horsepower and very good torque at 265 Newton meters for a gasoline model. So this is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's now 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers yung kanyang fuel consumption according to GAC. Euro 5 compliant engine as well yung emission niya. And yung ating fuel tank capacity is 52 liters. So what you can see here is a very decent space to service the GN6. Meron tayong engine cover here. You have your coolant dito. You have your, ito yung engine support natin. So you have your alternator right here sa taas na part. Ito yung airbox natin. Ito yung ating, reservoir sa ating brake fluid. And yung ating ECU is just located right here, very easy lang to look at, inspect. And it's quite lower on the bumper, so wag mo tong i-water wade hanggang dito. Dapat in the middle of the wheels lang kung kailangan talaga, but iwasan na lang talaga motorista i-water wade yung sasakyan. Yung ating fan is electronic. Mga motorista, we are inside the GAC GN6, So yung interior na is very good, in my opinion. It's very much design centric siya. Medyo marami siyang curves dito sa ating dash, I really like na meron pa din tayong mga analog gauges dito sa harap natin, and we have a central screen. I think this screen is around the 7-inch display. So you have your tachometer, your speedometer, yung ating gear position indicator is on the screen na sa harap natin, and digital na yung ating temperature at fuel gauge. Now you can also see, mga motorista, dito sa harap natin na meron siyang mga indications sa taasan. For this model, hindi siya ganun ka laden with leather, mga motorista, Mostly rubberized, texturized material siya. But we have your airbag dito sa ating steering wheel. Meron ka ding controls for our audio. Next, voice command, mute, mode, call buttons natin. And then here, you can also see na meron tayong cruise control. I think this is just the basic cruise control. Press nyo lang yung mga buttons dito on the side, and it will move accordingly yung ating screen. So fuel range, battery voltage, speedometer, fuel economy, so everything that's basic in terms of trip meters, andito siya. So I have vehicle information, cluster volume, you can adjust the units, and so back natin, so you have I think you have the tire pressure monitoring system, and ayan, liter per 100, miles per gallon, diba? So yan lahat pwede mong baguhin sa kanya. Okay, and then also tignan pa natin telephone, factory settings. Very basic lang siya, but I like na color screen na siya dito sa harap natin. Now aside from that, motorista, you have your controls here sa ating doors. Meron tayong speaker grill dito. Okay, and then meron din tayong mga controls sa ating windows, very standard stuff. So kita nyo, mga motorista, na we have your adjustments sa ating side mirrors, lock and unlock buttons, auto down, one touch down and one touch up na window, and then manual toggles na sa mga passengers. So window lock button, meron tayong hill descent control, traction control, and headlight leveler adjustment. So manual adjustment siya. So you have front and rear fog lights dito. Ayan, so pwede mo siyang i-on or i-off, and you can turn on the rear fog lights as well. Yung ating headlight switch is manual, so you just have to switch it on or switch it off. No fuss, walang automation. You have intermittent wipers, you can adjust the timing of the wiper blades. And the steering wheel, I don't think it telescopes mga motorista, tilt lang siya. Okay, and then naka-recess yung ating mga items here, no. So meron din tayong display dito, no. It's I think an 8-inch display, a little bit smaller than I would like, no. Malaki yung bezels natin on the side, no. Para siyang seamless dapat here, but again, in this GN6 na test review natin is siya, analog with some touches of TFT, no. So ito yung ating screen right here. Definitely not the best looking screen in my opinion. No, there are better cars. There are better infotainment systems out there. So what you get is you have Bluetooth audio, music streaming, of course, meron siyang video. I'm not so sure how that works. Maybe phone mirroring is here. Okay, so first impressions natin to mga motorista na, so don't have really a lot of knowledge sa infotainment nito, but yeah, it's fast naman yung ating infotainment system, no. Okay, but not sure if meron siyang CarPlay. Ayan, meron pala siya, meron siyang CarPlay. By the way, meron tayong volume knob here and doubles as a power button as well. You have your vents dito, temperature natin, so single zone climate control siya. Meron tayong ion filter or ionizer, no, so that's really nice. Air purification system. Meron tayong lalagyan here to store, I think you can put a small phone, and USB ports natin for CarPlay is here located, and meron tayong button here, DESW. I think this is for the drive selector mga motorista. So yan, normal, eco, sport, winter mode. Ayan. So right next to that is yung ating hazard button, electronic parking brake with auto hold. I really like this feature. And then you have your transmission here. Meron tayong malaking storage area underneath, no? So meron pa tayong 12 volt outlet dyan. You have your cup holders, medyo maliit lang siya, no? Not sure it will fit no big bottles, parang hindi. But you can fit your big bottles dito sa kabilang side. Okay, so dito sa kabila, to meron tayong charger na 2.4 amps. That's good. Meron tayong tray here, no, but unfortunately wala tayong storage na pwede mo isarado. Andun lang siya sa ilalim. Meron din tayong armrest for the driver and also for the passenger, which is quite nice. I really like this this armrest, no, makes it very comfortable. And then here, yan, kita natin, no, yung ating compartment. And when it comes to the transmission mga motorista, no, it is a 6-speed automatic transmission si GN6. Right. So, yung seats natin is white leather. You have your sunroof also. LED na din yung ating mga ilaw sa loob, and I like na it's kind of yellowish siya pero LED na siya, and it has this nice parang diamond na design. So ayan, ito yung controls for the sunroof, sunglass holder natin, and yan, so you can turn off your dome lights right there. Meron tayong dito mga motorista, no? I think this is for the ambient lighting right here sa taas. So vanity mirror is here. Other side meron, check. And day night natin mirror is just manual lang siya, hindi siya automatic. Okay? So yeah, that's about it, no? But regarding the seats sa GN6 natin, it is quite nice and very supportive. I really like the position. Although it's a manual seat, but no problems talaga pag manual seat mga motorista, no? So, nothing can go wrong with your seat talaga pag man. Wala ka nang isisip yan. It's not electronic. So, driving position is quite nice and very nice to be in. Okay, so ayan yung ating harapan ng ating GAC GN6 dito sa harap. And by the way, meron pa tayong engine push to start button. Okay, so dito sa likod, so I really thought na sliding door siya mga motorista since this is a minivan or MPV yung tawag ni GAC dito, but there's a lot of space. So yung doors niya sa likuran, medyo may kalaparan siya pag buksan mo. But again, materials is nice. I really like this interior, light materials, beige, and some dark materials right here na parang siyang brown color. So pasok tayo. Again, by the way, captain seats. Although manual lang siya, but again, you get captain seats. Wala tayong adjustment for our lumbar. Okay. So ayan, I'm not so sure what's this mga motorista, but you have a cover. So dito sa harap pala nakalagay yung ating spare tire, no? That's why medyo meron tayong cover right here. So you can place this cover back. So the front seats a little bit taller siya because of that. And what's nice, no, because meron siyang parang nakaangat dito sa ilalim. So tamang-tama yung pwesto na paangat, no. So it's quite comfortable yung seating dito sa likuran. It is quite comfortable and it is very spacious dito sa likuran ng GN6. Dome lights also are here, malakas siya. And yung controls natin sa ating audio speaker grill dito, I think this is Twitter. And then ito yung ating speaker. Wala tayong dome lights, no, sa center part, no, dito sa loob ng GN6 natin. But these seats, no, are also the same quality as the front, very nice. So limited lang yung adjustment natin. You do get an armrest. So very hindi siya feature pack na MPV, pero I like na malalapad na yung ating mga upuan and it looks like high quality and feels like high quality yung kanyang mga seats dito sa likuran mga motorista. Now for the passenger at the back, so let's try to sit there. So medyo siya, nakaangat yung upuan natin, no? I'm not so sure kung fixed na ba to. But you can, yeah, I think this is already fixed. So the nice thing about the third row, since this captain seat, so yung center passenger, kung mahaba yung legs, they can stretch out mga motorista, no? And actually it is nice, no? Medyo nakaangat yung likuran natin and mataas siya, so very comfortable siya. Sitting here, medyo nakataas lang yung ating yung knees natin. But sitting here is quite a good place, and for sure long drives walang problema dito sa third row. 2.4 amps USB charging is also here. Address for the third row passenger, and napakaluwag ng lalagyan doon sa pinakalikod mga motorista. Definitely a win mga motorista when it comes to cargo capacity kasi walang spare tire sa likuran part. Okay. So ayan yung ating GAC. So ayan yung ating GAC GN6 mga motorista dito sa third row. And basically I'm really liking this GN6, especially the value that it offers, the space that it offers is quite good. So ayan. One thing lang na hindi ko masyado nagustuhan sa kanya is that when it comes to the safety part, no, it only gets dual airbags. So wala tayong airbags or side curtain airbags mga motorista. Hopefully you will not need to use that, diba? So yeah, but overall space, comfort here, I'm not so sure how this drives pa. So interior tour lang tayo, but I'm pretty sure you'll be very comfortable dito sa likuran. So mga motorista, yan yung ating GAC GN6. Now, in my opinion, I really like this van. No? Simple lang siya, hindi siya ganun kadami yung features niya. Pricing is also good. At 1.4 million, you get very good space. No? If you have a large family, gusto mong ikarga lahat, no? Sa ating GN6, walang problema, maluwag yung interior. Worth it siya, no? In my opinion, for 1.4 million pesos. So ayan yung ating GAC GN6. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click that notification bell for more videos in this channel. Once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode mga motorista.